collaborate seamlessly on RBI forms with Adobe Acrobat. Visit the Acrobat online service and navigate to All Tools. Click on Edit PDF or Add Comments and drop your file. Click on Edit and choose the text tool to easily fill out the form yourself. Choose the Highlight tool to draw attention to important information. Leave a comment to make it easy to navigate. Place your signature and click Request e-signatures. Acrobat will automatically identify signature fields. You can also place specific fields manually. Set the reminder and click Send. Track progress of your doc and watch the comments from your team right in your browser. For the final touch, get back to All Tools and click Protect PDF. Choose your form from the cloud and type in your password. Click Set Password and that's it. Ready to transform your document workflow? Find out how by visiting the link in the description.